after haircut, before color. All right.
Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning. Like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
Hi everyone! Woo! You guys, today we are here at Grace's beauty room slash office. Look at this bad girls right here. Like salon. And my friend Queenie is here. Hi! Yes, me and Grace is getting her hair done. She did her hair before. If you guys watched my vlog or my video last time, she did her hair. So just so you guys know, she is a hairstylist, a licensed one, I'm saying. And we're gonna ask her what you have.
Oh, we're just doing some highlights. So I got some foils,
Foils, we got,
color bowl and brush.
and then kimpet for the clip. We had scissors. Yes, you guys, can we just appreciate Grace's vanity? Like, you see the eyes? The eyes is Grace, okay? Girl, this is a nice. You guys know we love mirror, like, ouch. Mirror is the best
Queenie was saying
here.
that.
Yeah.
I don't need the mirror. I'm like, well,
Exactly,
Janet
like,
needs the mirror.
you know, mirror is the best. This is beautiful, you guys. I love it, girly. It was.
Were you looking at yourself and say, this is beautiful?
I mean, you know, this is just the creation of God.
Love your own.
Love your own, my native land. Okay, I love it. Yes. Anyways, let's go back. And here is what are we using, Queen?
So we got Redken.
Social red
Our
skin.
toners.
Toners, redkin. See,
And we got some.
can you buy this anywhere
No.
Oh, you
have
can't.
to go to the professional beauty supply.
to be able to get
Yeah,
that?
and they need to see your license.
Oh.
Oh. Also, if you're just like us, a natural people or ordinary people, you cannot get
You
this.
can't get that. That's
Yeah.
just for professionals only.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not professional.
That's why you are the customer.
So, yes, do you have any suggestion, like if you're doing your
I think
own hair?
just go to Sally's Beauty.
Go to Sally's Beauty. Any
Yeah.
recommendations for my friends out there?
Oh my god, I've never been there.
You've never been there.
The recommendation for your friends, contact her to get your hair done.
Yeah,
I'm saying.
and if you can't reach her, that's why I asked, is there any alternative?
I think salon care.
Salon care for
Have you heard of
non-professional.
that? Have you heard of that?
No, because I'm unprofessional.
Yeah, but everybody can get that from Sally's Beauty Supply.
What's the name again?
I think salon care.
Salon care product.
Yeah.
So
Like,
for unprofessional like me, we can get that. Since I'm not professional and you are, that's why you're here today, right,
just
my
leave it to
friend?
the professionals, guys.
So you're gonna do? Are you gonna do you're gonna get a haircut first, correct?
Yeah, we have to
And
cut some. We have to do the
okay,
haircut first.
so let's gonna do this first.
So much hair. Yeah. I'm jealous.
This is the before.
Yeah, there's.
Grace is getting a haircut and she's getting balayage.
To hide it a little.
Oh baby, that's a trend. Don't hide that. The sharper, the better. Yeah, Queenie has it too.
That's true.
Do you want to do it, Johnny?
The what?
Try this.
The what?
Cut her hair.
Oh no. Excuse me. You guys know she asked me if I can do her hair to cut it, baby. I'm up to challenge and saying.
No.
So my hair is such a high maintenance.
Yeah.
So I think I changed my mind.
Yeah, do balayage.
I don't have money. So now what I'm gonna do is, Queen is gonna cut my hair like wavy style, and I'm gonna get face frame because I've been wanting face frame for forever now, and she needs to wet my hair because y'all.
I need help.
This hair is. I'm blessed with hair though, so too much blessed. I'm too blessed with this hair that is pain in the ass now.
Yeah, you have to give me some.
For sale, my hair.
Very long, and we're gonna chop it up to like, up to where? Janet.
Medium or not what do you call that?
Real up there.
Not too medium, not too long.
Maybe up to here.
Just get
That's a lot.
Just get the dead one. My hair, my nails, they grow very fast.
Because yeah, you're eating a lot of protein.
They grow very fast than my natural height. So yeah,
And you want layers in the back, right?
correct.
I'm just texturizing her hair. Or thinning.
My hair needs some thinning. A lot of people want their volume. This is my hair right
so
now.
Can you put a little
It's
bit?
just
A little
cut
bit, yeah.
and layered, and yeah,
You don't like-
I'll see you later when this
Yeah, to
hair is
sharpen.
colored. And yeah, so this is Grace's hair from short to para ka ng alien ha.
Sabihin ko nga ba?
You look like alien. Graduates of 2020, 2021. Ting tididing.
Saan diploma mo?
Ting tididing, ding ding. Ting tididing, ding ding. Parang toga lang ah.
Saan ka ba magpa-part lagi?
Okay.
Oh, you're
I'm flipper.
So this is the before.
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna.
Here's what's happening so far.
We're adding some lowlights right now, which is her natural hair color,
So why are you doing that again?
to give you that balayage look. You know, just add some dimension to the hair.
She's got a lot of hair, huh?
Yeah.
Does it need to be hot water, warm water, what?
It doesn't matter, whatever you prefer, but I think I would suggest hot.
Okay.
I mean, hot or yeah. Fabulous earlier.
Okay, girlie, are you breathing? You're done? Kidding.
I'm alive.
Okay, there you go. That's me next. She rinsed it off and it's done, and now it's toning time.
Yes.
So for toner, what are we using, Queenie?
So I'm using. I'm sorry for the mess.
You're fine.
And I'm gonna use 9B. That with a little bit of 9N.
9 and
And this is the processing solution.
yeah. Oh my God, processing solution. You got this stuff here. Okay,
Oh, I like this color.
nice. So this is what it looks like right now with Grace's hair, but we need to tone it down because we need it. I don't know the reason, but we need it. I'm so excited for your hair. We'll see you guys later for the final result. Yon.
Steak.
See this?
Hindi mo ba nakita yung steak ko?
Hindi. I made our merienda. What is that, girlie?
Huh?
Ano merienda natin?
Banana Q and turon.
Oh, you have to run too?
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, I love to.
Banana Q and turon. Yes, y'all. That's our snacks.
Let me go get some.
Yummy. Very yummy.
Thank you. My hair, you guys. Queen is gonna do like toning, and I'll see you guys later.
Alrighty. So this is the pre-toner hair. So what? She's already been shampooed.
Yes.
What is shadow root?
Shadow root is like, do you see these harsh lines? Like there's that one that's very harsh, even though I tease it and all. Like girlies, you don't see that anymore. I have to use the 5N, your natural hair color, and it will just help it blend in so that it looks seamless. And then I'm gonna put the toner on.
All right. Now Queenie is curling Janen's hair.
Her final product. So if you guys gonna ask me what color this is, it is ash. It's ashy and what?
Oh, it's like ashy brown. Is that what it is?
Yeah. There you go, you guys. So pretty! Very dimensional balayage, you guys.
And there you go.
Okay guys, this is my final hair. This is a dimensional balayage for wavy hair like mine. So, and the color is ash brown. Ash brown.
Blonde.
Huh?
It can be blonde.
It can be blonde, whatever you call, but you know, this is my hair for my hair. And now I'm gonna show you guys Gracie's hair for her after. Come here, girlie. So yes, this is, yes,
A short version of the ash balayage.
Balayage.
Brown.
ash brown balayage. So this is the fine hair. It's beautiful, like it's so gorgeous. Guys, if you're from Atlanta and you know Queenie did our hair last December, if you guys have you seen my video, she did. And if you want to reach her out, I'm gonna put her Instagram link on my description box down below.
Yeah.
So you can like, you know, shoot her a message. I'm saying. So yes, that's our Queenie, and this is our hair. Thank you, Queenie. Anyways, you guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's be friends, cause why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye. Ang ganda. Why? Shit.